Technological and industrial growth is part of the economic development of a country, where the chemical industry is fundamental for this purpose, since its products are found in all sectors of our society, such as construction, health, electronics, petrochemicals, commerce, and agriculture, among others. So, it plays a fundamental role in the production chain of any industry that uses plastic. This is why there must be permanent research and development of new sustainable technologies that respond to the needs of today's most demanding markets, placing more emphasis on environmental care. The Research Center for Applied Chemistry, CIQA, through a journey for more than 4 decades, has been dedicated to offering solutions to the demands of knowledge and development of plastic and polymeric materials for different industries. Today, it has become the institution with the most integrated and advanced portfolio of scientific and technological services in Mexico for the analysis, improvement, and development of new and better plastic and composite materials. These services include scientific research, project development, and technological innovation. In recent years, CIQA has focused on the recycling and design of biocomposites, biodegradable materials, and prototypes whose demand has increased due to the worldwide concern about environmental care and the implementation of a circular economy in companies operating in the plastic and related industries in the region. With the same objective, it is searching for lightweight materials that save energy and thus reduce pollution. It is also looking for plastics that conduct electricity and heat for solar heaters, and applications for materials such as graphene, providing greater energy efficiency than traditional technologies. The Research Center has also specialized in the development of additive manufacturing, or 3D printing technologies, for prototypes demanded by companies. Today, their efforts are recognized in the design of textiles and materials for active deliveries that help the treatment of plant and human diseases such as diabetes and cancer, and also biocompatible polymers for prosthesis, dental resins, and human tissues, as well as antimicrobial textiles for filters, masks and clothing, sanitizing solutions, and personal protective equipment. Training and specialized training for high-level human capital. The educational services of the center include continuous training and postgraduate options that are adapted to the requirements of companies in the professionalizing system. It also has 4 full-time postgraduate programs, offering scholarships for participating in CONACYL's National Quality Postgraduate Program. Specialized tests with a high degree of reliability for psychochemical characterization and analytical instrumentation, electron microscopy, plastics transformation, agrobiotechnology, analysis of biodegradability and compostability, in vitro culture, among others. These tests allow to check the quality of raw materials and finished products, solve product and process problems, modify and develop products, monitor compliance with specifications, check and/or replace materials, increase field productivity, save water and energy, and develop competitive advantages over traditional cultivation techniques. Our tests and trials meet the national and international standards and protocols. Some of our laboratories are certified with ISO 9001:2015, while some of our tests are accredited by the Mexican accreditation entity, AC. Technical support. Due to its valuable experience, the companies may find the following in the center: advice for substitution of plastic materials, the reduction of failures in the parts, the establishment of optimal process conditions, selection of suppliers of additives, resins, and processing equipment, improvement of properties of the product and best practices recycling, specialized troubleshooting services, general technical support, and development of polymerization process for resin producers are also offered. We mainly cover the processes of polymerization in emulsion, mass solution, and suspension, as well as chemical recycling and pyrolysis of plastic waste, among others. In terms of current health challenges, CIQA offers advice to develop high-tech suppliers in the Mexican plastics sector. socially oriented activities. We offer guided tours in our facility for school groups, as well as conferences, experimental workshops, and activities and special events that contribute to forming culture and citizenship. An awakening scientific interest among children, youth, and teachers of all educational levels. We depend on an experienced team of 186 specialized scientists and technicians, 103 of which have PhD degrees. High productivity academic, scientific, technological, and patent registration. Modern facilities, analytical and instrumental infrastructure that competes with those of foreign institutions. We obtained the National Award for Technology and Innovation in 2016, the highest recognition granted by the federal government to organizations that implement exemplary processes within the framework of technology and innovation management model. Today, CIQA is a world-class research center having the ability to generate knowledge to create, transform, and innovate. The Research Center for Applied Chemistry, the knowledge that adds value in research and development of sustainable plastics.